And who doesn't love a little spontaneity? Including a big road trip that I have planned this month. And if this works, it can kind of be a game changer. I've never wanted that view obstructed just in case. I don't know, I gotta put it all together and see if it works. But I really need a place for everything to go. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay.
He's not getting in there, but he wants
to. Okay, let's do this, shall we? No idea if that'll come through. Hello, friends, and good evening. So, Bunny and I officially hit the road this evening. I took her to Level Canyon, which is where I really like to come to camp a lot. And tomorrow, we're gonna hit the road again. It's quite chilly outside, but fortunately, with all of my layers and Sherpa, I feel quite warm. Maybe it won't be as cold as I originally thought. I don't really have lots to update tonight, honestly. It's weird because I haven't done a long trip in a minute, so the car just feels extra packed for some reason. I mean, it's true, there is more stuff in here than usual, since I've only been doing short trips lately. So, just feels like there's so much more stuff. Or maybe I just have to kind of get used to it again. Can you go over here? Can you go over here? Sorry, I put my light in the way. Well, don't get tangled in it. Yeah, you told me to wake up early and I did it. Good job, Riley. Oh. Oh no! There we go. Watch out, Tyson. Ugh. I don't think that was necessary. I was like, what's with all the honking? Oh, sorry, Tyson. Oh.
That was better folding that than it was folding that.
So last night we pulled in kind of late and my usual spots that I really love camping at in this area were taken by other people. So since it was really dark and we didn't feel like driving around too much, we just pulled into the first available site, which was actually kind of next to this road. I didn't notice that. But now that it's the morning time, I can see that, yeah, maybe not the best spot, but it ended up being beautiful in its own way. As you can see, it's honestly kind of a mess right now. Got all packed up and we're ready to move on to our next destination. We've got a long drive ahead of us. But before we do that, we're going to stop back at my parents' house because as it turns out, after testing out my new setup, see those storage boxes back there? After testing out the whole new setup for one night, I realized very quickly that this was not going to work for me. It just feels extra cluttery and I can't really maneuver things around as easily, and I just don't think it's gonna work out, and I don't want to spend the next however long of this road trip struggling. So we're gonna stop back at my parents' house to switch some stuff out, probably go back to the old setup. It was good that we spent one night out here so that I can see that clearly this was not gonna work. Anywho, we're stopping back at the house. Bunny's gonna make some McMuffins. I think she made McMuffins in her Road Pro so that we have a snack to eat for breakfast this morning. And then we'll be on our way. Going from that. It looks a lot better now. I know it doesn't really look it, but it still looks kind of chaotic, but I actually feel much better about it. I have like random things down here that I kind of need. Yeah, that's gonna work. Pro food! And this is where our McMuffins are. Whoa! Cool! I'm very excited for this.
They're actually getting warm already, so
Yeah?
we should be able to eat in, I was gonna say 30 minutes. We
Yeah.
may be able to eat in like 15.
Okay.
So maybe by the time we get out of town,
Yeah.
maybe.
Okay.
Bringing you some food.
She's bringing me food.
Brought you some food.
Ooh, it's nice and warm.
Yes.
Yay.
Road Pro.
Road Pro, yay.
Okay, I need to change something up. My bulky died,
Oh.
so I need to.
Oh, yeah. We just spent the last, I don't know how long, working at Starbucks trying to get this video edited, and now we're on our way. Well, we're stopping at Dollar Tree.
It's my favorite time of year. They're already putting out Easter, which is bunny season.
Okay. I mean, it's true. Oh, look, dinosaurs!
Look at this. It's a 4-foot inflatable bunny for $5.
I feel like she needs this.
I feel like I might.
Really?
Like, isn't it cute?
I think we should bring it to you-know-where.
I've been looking for an inflatable bunny for a bit for Christmas, but this is very, very Easter colors.
Yeah.
Easter colors.
Don't you think she should get it?
Turn around, turn around. Here we go. Yes. There's also a blue bunny.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's other colors. It looks like there's either, oh, there's a pink one.
I don't know.
Yellow one.
I kind of like this thing.
That's not a bunny. There's
No.
a yellow one.
Okay, cool. After finally being done running our errands, doing our work, etc., we are on our way to meet up with some of our friends. And I can't wait to tell you what activity we're going to. I feel like I gotta start over. Dear future editing Riley,
Colors.
don't you think you guys should, or wait, what was it? Okay, after, ooh, I gotta pause that. What did I say? Yes. Actually, I don't even want to say all that. So yeah.